Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you like how to install SQL Server and SSMS SQL Management Studio as well for SCCM Lab. For watching this video first time, please go through all videos. I will give a playlist link in description. Okay, now let's go to the SCCM server. Okay, open File Explorer. This PC. Okay, go to the share location. This is the SQL we already downloaded. Just I'm copying this file to the desktop. Once you copy ISO file, then you need to mount it. Copy completed. Just right click and click on mount. Okay, again go to here. Okay, now SQL came here. Open this one. Click on setup. Go to installation. Okay, select first one, standalone installation. Now click. I don't have any product queue. That's why I'm selecting free version. Then select next. Accept the license. Click next. Microsoft updates not required. I'm clicking next. I don't want any SQL updates. I'm unchecking that. Okay, clicking next. Okay, installing steps is in progress. It will take 5 minutes time. Now it's came to this window automatically. I'm selecting database engine service. Okay, that is fine. Remaining things not required. Okay. Click next. Once installable completed, it is automatically came to the next one. Okay, here I'm giving default instance, then click next. Here we need to change account name as a administrator. Okay. In production, you can give like a service account for SQL. Here I'm using the same account. Administrator. Here we need to select as a automatic. Here also we need to select the account. Click on browse administrator. Click OK. Then here we need to select as a automatic. then click next. Okay, sorry. Here we need to give the password. I missed that. We need to give the password. That's why its error came. Whatever the account you are giving here, we need to give the account password. I'm giving administrator, then I'm giving administrator's password. Okay, with this account, SQL server, it will run service. SQL server service, it will run. Okay, then click on next. Okay, now there is no any error now. Okay, then after that, you need to click on current user. Click next. Now click on install. It will take some time to install. I'm pausing the video. If any changes are there, I will back again. Still installation is going on. Still installation is going on. Okay. Okay, installation is looks like completed. Okay, I'm closing this now. Closing this. Now I will show you how to download SSMS as well before installing. Okay. Go to Google SSMS. Sorry. SSMS. Download. Click first link here. This is the link you can be able to download. Okay. Around 600 MB is there. You can download from here. Okay. I'm canceling now because I already downloaded SSMS. Okay. I already downloaded here. Go to E drive, softwares, SSMS. This is already downloaded. Let me copy to the share location. Copying to softwares folder here. Then I can able to access from virtual machine. Okay. Copied here. Let's go to SCCM server. File Explorer. Then Z drive. Here it is, the file is there. Just copy the file to the desktop. Whatever the installation files are there, just copy to the desktop, then install. Don't directly install from Z drive. Sometimes it will get failed. Okay. Just double click on this. Okay. Now click on install. You can select whatever the installation directory. I have only one C drive. That's why I'm selecting same drive. Click on install. Okay, it will take some time to install. Now installation is completed. It is required a restart. I'm clicking on restart. I'm pausing the video. I will start the server. Okay. Now server is restarted. Let's open SSMS. Or directly you can go to start, then type SSMS. You will be able to see. This is the one. Just now I clicked. Here we need to change database memory. Otherwise, if you are not changing the database memory while installing SCM, it will get warnings or pop-ups. Okay, to avoid that, before that I'm changing memory size here. Okay, I open SSMS, then just click on connect. Okay. Now there isn't any databases as of now. Once if after installing SCM, you can able to see here SCM database as well. As of now, directly right click on here SCM server icon. Go to properties. Go to memory. Here give 2 GB RAM, like 2048. Here also same 2048. Then click OK. Here no need to change anything. Here then click OK. Okay, that's it for this video. Next video I will show you how to install SCCM application now. Thanks for watching the videos. If you are not, this is the first. If you are watching this video first time, just please go through the all videos. I will give the playlist link in description. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Bye.